Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Nikumiso, braised ground pork seasoned with miso paste. This flavorful meat dish is great as a topping on steamed rice or a filling for onigiri rice balls, bread, or lettuce wrap. These are the ingredients. For more information and complete recipe, visit our website japanesecooking101.com. First, we are going to chop onion finely and set aside, and peel and mince garlic and ginger too. You want to use fresh ginger and garlic for better flavor. In a medium frying pan, heat the oil at medium heat with ginger and garlic. When the oil starts to be aromatic, add the ground pork and cook until the color changes. Then add the chopped onion and cook until soft. Season with sugar, sake, soy sauce, and the miso paste. And stir and dissolve the miso in the pan and cook about 5 minutes. You can wrap this with lettuce or top it on steamed rice or noodles like udon or ramen. There are so many ways to eat this. You can make this ahead of time too. Perfect for lunch and busy weekday dinners.
美味しい。
美味しいね。